Okay, we are discussing chapter second, that is heat and temperature. In this, we revise about conduction, convection, and third one is
Radiation.
induction, convection, and radiation. So, who will tell me now what is conduction and convection? Raise your hand without cheating. Only don't see the notebook. Raise your hand. What is conduction, convection, and radiation? Yes, Apurva. Apurva, tell me what is convection? Tell me what is convection? Apurva,
Yes, sir.
what is convection? Yes, Vibhav.
Sir, can I speak? Sir, convection is that when the heat travels to the liquid in layers, that is called convection.
Yes, in convection, the heat is transferred by the actual movement of the material. So this material is liquid or gas. Liquid or gas, convection takes place, and both liquid and gas are known as fluid. What is the meaning of fluid? Liquid and gas. जैसे हमारे पास third one, that is solid and fluid. In fluid there are two parts, that is liquid and gas. Now radiation. What is radiation? Yes, this is VUTV. Who is this VUTV? I think yes. What is radiation? Tell them what is radiation. Ayushi, what is radiation? Ayushi, Ayushi, what is radiation? Don't know? Yes, Tanmay.
Sir, I am weak. Can I speak?
Yes, Tanmay. What is radiation?
Sir, radiation is a process in which radiation is the process. Sir, 1 minute. Ade. Sir, radiation is a process which do not need any medium to transmit heat.
Sorry, repeat it.
Sir, radiation is a process which do not need any medium to transmit heat.
In radiation, there is no medium required to transfer the heat. Avni, then how the heat will be transferred? If there will be no medium, then how will be the heat will be transferred?
Sir, through radiation waves.
Yes, through radiation wave.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, आज हम एक न्यूमेरिकल करें टेम्परेचर कन्वर्जन के. सो राइट डाउन, convert convert 100 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. 100 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So what was the formula for conversion of temperature from degree Celsius to Kelvin? Yes, Apurva. What was the formula?
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, for converting Celsius into Kelvin, we have to add plus 273.
Yes. If we want to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, we will add 273. Means degree Kelvin will be equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Now, in degree Celsius, the temperature is 100 degree plus 273. This means 373 Kelvin. So what is the boiling point of water? Boiling point means boiling temperature of water in Kelvin. In degree Celsius, this is 100 degree Celsius. In Kelvin, this is 373 Kelvin. Hardik, what is freezing point of water? Hardik, freezing point of water without seeing in the notebook. Yes, Avani.
Sir, 0 degree or below 0 degree?
0 degree Celsius or below. Means starting will be occur at 0 degree Celsius. And in Kelvin, this will be 0 plus 273 means 273 Kelvin. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Ayushi, is it clear? Now, write next question, convert minus 40 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. Convert minus 40 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. So, what is the formula? Raise your hand. Yes, Apurva. What is formula?
Sir, 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32.
9 by 5.
Into degree Celsius
Yes.
plus 32.
Plus 32. Yes, Tanmay. This is right or wrong?
Sir, this is right. Sir, right.
Yes. Now, substitute the value. This is 9 by 5 into degree Celsius, that is minus 40 degree Celsius plus 32. According to BODMAS, have you learned about BODMAS? Have you learned about BODMAS? Raise your hand if you don't know about BODMAS.
Yes, sir. BODMAS is bracket of division, multiplication, addition.
First is bracket. Now solve this bracket. This is 9 divided by 5 into minus symbol will be placed before 9 by 5 into 40 plus 32. Now this will be cancelled out with this 8 and this is minus 9 8 is 72 plus 32. So this is plus minus and symbol will be always of greatest number. So the greater number is 72. So symbol will be of minus. And now plus minus, if we subtract 32 from 72, this will be 40. So minus 40 degree Celsius equals minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? What is it means? Means at minus 40 degree Celsius, the temperature in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit is same. So if you are asked in the question that find a temperature at which the temperature in degree Celsius and in degree Fahrenheit is same, so the value is minus 40 degree. Now convert 20 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. All convert 20 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. 20 degree Celsius को Fahrenheit में convert करो fast. Yes, Avni. What is answer?
Sir, is it 40 or 20?
20 degree Celsius.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hurry up, convert 20 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Yes, Apurva.
Sir, is it 68 degree Fahrenheit?
It is 68 degree Fahrenheit. Very good. सबसे फास्ट आंसर किया है अपूर्वा ने. This is 68 degree Fahrenheit. So again, the formula will be same. Just substitute the value 9 by 5 into degree Celsius, that is 20 plus 32. Now this is 4 5 are 20, 9 4 are 36 plus 32. This is 68. So 68 degree Fahrenheit. Is it clear? Veer Verma, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, now open your textbook, page number 37. Open your textbook, Wow Science, and page number 37. First objective type question, A type objective type question. Any doubt in first 5 question? Read and tell me any doubt. Raise your hand if you have doubt. Yes, Avni?
Sir, fourth one.
Fourth one. A metal rod is heated to a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. This is my metal rod and I heated up this up to 200 degrees Celsius. Now it is placed in a room at 30 degrees Celsius. तो इसको मैंने किसी एक रूम में प्लेस कर दिया जिसका जो टेम्परेचर था दैट इज 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. At which temperature the rod will stop radiating heat? देखो हमने जब फर्स्ट लेक्चर किया था हॉट एंड कोल्ड वाला तो उसमें क्या क्या समझा था कि if the temperature of this board is higher than our body, then the heat will be transferred from this point from this board to our body. Similarly, now the temperature is 200 degrees Celsius and here the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So heat will be starting radiating from this to this room, from metal rod to room. Now the options are 0 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Celsius. So जैसे ही इसका टेम्परेचर 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो जाएगा, जैसे ही मेटल रोड का टेम्परेचर 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस आ जाएगा तब क्या हो जाएगा, ये हीट रेडिएशन करना स्टॉप कर देगा क्योंकि दोनों का टेम्परेचर सेम हो जाएगा. If both are on the same temperature, both are having same temperature, then there will be no heat transfer. Getting my point, Avni?
Yes, sir.
तो आंसर क्या होगा 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. आफ्टर 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस there will be no heat transfer.
Yes, sir.
Now B short answer type question. Any doubt? Raise your hand. Yes, Priyam.
Sir, I have a doubt for myself that if we have taken an iron rod and heated it from one end of it,
Yes.
and after some times we feel that warm at another end of the rod. Why it happens and how the heat transfer from one end to another end of the rod?
This is by the concept of conduction. If this is my rod, this is iron rod. If I heat in this place, this is heating up to here. Now, after some time, you feel that the other end will also be heat up because heat starting flowing from this to next layer, then again to next layer. Similarly, the heat will be transferred to up to its next end by the method of conduction. We have discussed that in conduction there are electrons, 3 electrons. In metal there are 3 electrons which get heat up and they get kinetic energy and they start moving from this point to this point. And similarly, they will lose the energy to these electrons. The electrons present here. And they will start moving. ऐसे ये प्रोसेस चलता रहेगा जब तक वो नेक्स्ट ये सेकंड एंड पे नहीं पहुंच जाता. Is it now clear, Priyam?
Yes, sir.
Any more doubt?
No, sir.
Nidhi, any doubt? Bhupendra Singh, turn on your video. All turn on your video. All turn on your video. Yes, any doubt? Raise your hand. Yes, Bhupender. Okay, next C part. In C part, any doubt? Raise your hand. In C part, any doubt? Keshav, Savroop, Bhupender, Sumer, turn on your video so that I can see you. Any doubt? Raise your hand. B and C part. Page number 38. C. No doubt? Avni? All are done? All questions are done?
Sir, what is vacuum flask?
Vacuum class. बेटा आपके आप पेज नंबर 34. Open page number 34. Here this is a vacuum class. बॉटल दिख रही है ना?
Yes, sir.
वैक्यूम क्लास क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि यहां पे जो स्पेस होता है, ये जो स्पेस था, ये किससे फिल किया था? वैक्यूम से. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज वैक्यूम क्लास. यस अपूर्वा?
Sir, in B part, there is fifth question. What is radiant heat?
What is the radiant heat? Yes,
Yeah.
radiant heat is the heat transferred through the radiation. This is page number 33. Open page number 33. Info bit के ऊपर just above the info bit. Read the heat transmitted in the form of infrared waves. तो रेडिएशन में इंफ्रारेड वेव्स थी ना, तो इंफ्रारेड वेव्स की फॉर्म में जो हीट ट्रांसफर होती है दैट इज रेडिएंट हीट. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Now its next part is how do black and white colored object absorb heat. We have discussed light and white colored objects reflect heat. They are poor absorber. Whereas dark and black colored objects are good absorber, so they absorb more heat as compared to white color clothes. That's why we prefer light color clothes in summer and dark color clothes in winter. Getting my point? Is it clear? Any doubt? Now D part, numerical. First numerical, any problem? Raise your hand. D part, numerical. First numerical. आंसर मिल गया बेटा? इसकी पीडीएफ मिल गई आपको? सॉल्यूशंस की पीडीएफ मिल गई है? यस प्रियम?
Sir, I got the PDF, but the last page of the long question answers and the numerical problems was blank.
Was blank? नहीं, वो नेक्स्ट डे जो आपको पीडीएफ मिली थी, फर्स्ट डे जो पीडीएफ मिली थी उसमें लॉन्ग और न्यूमेरिकल नहीं थे.
Okay, sir.
I will check it and then if this is not forwarded in the group, then I will forward this. Okay? Or you can message me. मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर देना, मैं फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा 8529531194। इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप कर देना, अपनी क्लास मेंशन कर देना।
Okay, sir.
Okay, first numerical, any doubt? Raise your hand. In first question, and the second question, Rama was boiling water. दोनों न्यूमेरिकल में कोई डाउट हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम? Yes, Nidhi, any doubt? Yes, Tanmay.
Sir, D part numerical problems, first question.
Numerical first question.
Yes, sir.
सेकंड क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट पार्ट या फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
Sir, D question first. Sir, D first question.
Okay. Observe the given diagram. Here in the diagram, this is given that this is minus 10 degrees Celsius and this is 110 degrees Celsius, and the distance between this is 25 centimeter, and you have to find the temperature if at here where the distance is 15 centimeter. Now, what is the temperature range? What is the temperature difference between this and this? This is 110 minus 10 degrees Celsius. So this is 110 plus 10, that is 120 degrees Celsius. Means 25 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में जो वेरिएशन है, 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज डिवाइडेड 25 सेंटीमीटर। तो ये वाली रेंज 25 सेंटीमीटर के लिए डिवाइड की गई है। सो for 1 centimeter, for 25 centimeter, the range is 120 degrees Celsius. Similarly, for 1 centimeter, the range is 120 divided by 25. Is it clear? Raise your hand if you have doubt. No doubt? Now we have to find for 15 centimeter. For 15 centimeter, the range will be multiplied 15. So this is 5 5 the 25, 5 3 the 15, 5 2 the 10, 5 4 the 20. So this is 24 into 3, that is 72 degrees Celsius. So 72 degrees Celsius. This is 72 degrees Celsius. So add this 72 degrees Celsius in minus 10 degrees Celsius. So 10 degrees Celsius plus 72 degrees Celsius equals 62 degrees Celsius. Is it clear? Okay, any other doubt? Raise your hand. Keshav, Bhupender, Sumer, any doubt? Vibhav? No doubt. Mikul? No doubt. Nidhi? Nidhi? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Vibhav, my voice is breaking. Is it now audible? Okay. Now, in the second numerical, Rama was boiling water in a kettle. Her mother asked him what is temperature of boiling water? She replied that it is 239 degree Fahrenheit. 239 degree Fahrenheit. Now, calculate the temperature of boiling water in degree Celsius. Convert into degree Celsius. Hurry up, convert the temperature into degree Celsius. Convert the temperature into degree Celsius. So the formula for degree Celsius was, yes, who will tell me the formula? Avni. Yes, Avni?
Degree Celsius, sir.
Sorry?
9 by 5 multiplied by Celsius plus 32.
9 by 5 multiplied by degree Celsius
Plus 32.
plus 30. Now convert into degree Fahrenheit. Sorry, this is, we have to convert into degree Celsius. We have given degree Fahrenheit. So this is degree Fahrenheit. You can use this formula also, but we have your textbook page number 25. There are different formulas.
Okay, sir.
But from both the formula, you can we get the same answer. Yes, Apurva.
Sir, the formula is 5 by 9 into degree Fahrenheit minus 32.
Yes.
And sir, the answer will be 115 degrees Celsius.
Sir, the answer
115 degrees Celsius. 115 degrees Celsius.
115 degrees Celsius.
इससे भी आंसर आएगा, इससे भी आएगा. Both are the right. अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तब भी सेम आंसर आएगा, इससे सॉल्व करोगे तब भी सेम आएगा. Both are the right. Yes, Avni. Avni, unmute. Yes.
Sir, Rama was wrong. The answer was 212 degree Fahrenheit.
212.
Yes, sir.
नहीं बेटा 239 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट लिया हुआ है इसमें में.
Sir, but the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit is 212 degrees Celsius.
Yes, sir.
212 degree Fahrenheit. And she answered 239.
Sorry. आपकी आवाज.
Sir, the boiling point is 212 degrees Celsius, but she answered 239, so it's wrong.
Yes. He is wrong. आप क्या करो, जैसे ही आपने यहाँ पे डिग्री सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट किया तो डिग्री सेल्सियस में कितना आया उसका आंसर 115 डिग्री सेल्सियस, बट द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो ही इज रॉन्ग. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, जैसे अवनी ने किया वैसे भी कर सकते हो. बोथ आर द राइट. ओके. नाउ एनी डाउट from whole chapters about smoke and smoke, about the thermometers, about we have discussed conduction, convection, radiation. Just raise your hand. Just raise your hand if you have doubt. Yes, Apurva.
Sir, in page number 30, SS question, third one.
Page number 30, assess question.
Third one.
Third one. What usually happens to a matter when it is heated? देखो, अगर हीट करते हैं तो उसका टेम्परेचर क्या होता है? राइज होता है. When a matter is heated, its temperature rises. And similarly, if it is cooled, then the temperature decreases. Any other doubt? See any doubt? Are you ready for Monday test? Yes, Tanmay.
Sir, thermal expansion and contraction of objects.
Okay, thermal contract expansion and contraction. So if this is my rod, say iron rod. This is my iron rod. If I heat up this, after heating, its size will increase. Its size will increase. Say this is its size after heating. So this increasing size is known as expansion, and the size is increasing heat, that is known as thermal expansion. Yes, Vibhav?
Sir, you said that when matter is heated, its temperature rises, but it also expands.
Yes, it also expands. That is why it is known as thermal expansion. Thermal means temperature. Thermal means temperature. Expansion means size increasing. Yes, Nidhi.
Sir, the SS question 34, page number, second one.